Every poultry farmer would like to cut cost of feeding without compromising the quality and health of the poultry and livestock birds. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the breadfruit seed husk to reduce the costs of feeding your poultry and livestock animal, thereby maximizing your profit without compromising the health and quality of the poultry meat. You can see what I'm holding here is the breadfruit seed husk. That is the seed coat or the outer layer of the seed. The main seed have been used by human, and this is a waste some people pack and throw inside the bush without knowing that it has very rich nutrients that is good to formulate a viable poultry and livestock feed for both feathered animals and for four-legged animals. Watch in this video. Let's explore the potentials.
Do you know what we call breadfruit? I have developed a content on this breadfruit leaf as an organic extract to boost the immune system of your poultry birds, their growth, and the egg quality. In this particular content, I am discussing how to cut poultry feed costs with African breadfruit husk, the nutritional benefit for poultry and livestock. Watch. In this particular content, we are discussing about how to cut poultry feed costs with African breadfruit husk. This is the outer coat, seed coat of the breadfruit itself. After eating the main seed, the husk, the cover, the shell is what we are discussing here. Nutritional benefit for poultry. African breadfruit, known as Ukwa, among the Igbos and Yoruba communities in Nigeria, is not only a beloved dish but also an incredible resource for poultry feed. Traditionally, it is eaten fresh or prepared as a porridge with potash, bitter leaf, dry fish, pepper, and spices. Ukwa, as it is called in Igbo land, is nutrient-rich, making it a valuable and cost-effective feed supplement for poultry. By utilizing the husk of the African breadfruit seeds, poultry farmers can significantly reduce feed costs while ensuring nutritious diet for their birds. This guide explores the nutritional benefit of African breadfruit seed husk and its inclusion rate in poultry and livestock feed. Eat the fruit itself, leave the husk for your chickens. We are not competing with the fruit. The livestock animals and birds only need the husk. Now, in this particular content, if you have been throwing this away, go back and gather them and make use of it. You are going to get the nutritional qualities of this particular breadfruit husk that is always in the dumping ground. It has high fiber content. The husk is rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and improves gut health in poultry. Moderate protein content. The husk contains a reasonable amount of protein, contributing to muscle growth and overall development. It has carbohydrates, which provides a good source of energy for poultry and livestock animals, supporting growth and egg production. It has minerals, which contains essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, zinc, copper, which are crucial for bone development, eggshell quality, egg yolk, and metabolic functions. It has antioxidants, which is the presence of antioxidants that helps to boost the immune system, protecting poultry and livestock animals from diseases. Though it is low in fiber, the fat content is also good. This makes it an ideal for balanced nutrition without excessive fat content. Now, let me give you the percentage of all these nutrients. Crude protein 8 to 12%. Now, if you check the crude protein between 8 to 12%, and you are getting it free because it is not sold in any market, you can only see it, people throwing them in the dustbin because they don't know the value. Now that you are getting this free, you can see that 8% means a lot to your poultry feed. Finisher alone is between 18 to 21%. Starter is between 21 to 23%. While grower is between 16 to 18%. Whereas this one particular breadfruit husk alone have 12%. You can see that it can go a long way in helping you to drop your feed cost. It has crude fiber 10 to 16%, fat 2 to 4%. Then metabolizable energy 2,500 to 2,800 calories per kilogram. Then potassium 0.3 to 0.5%, phosphorus 0.1 to 0.2%, and trace minerals and vitamins is between 1 to 2%. It also has calcium, magnesium, iron, and other essential micronutrients. This composition makes breadfruit seed husk a very good and valuable supplementary feed ingredient, particularly for energy and fiber content they have. However, due to the moderate protein level, it should be combined with high protein sources in poultry like feather meal, animal blood meal, soya bean, and others. You have seen that this particular waste is very rich and can easily help you to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. African breadfruit seed husk can be included at the rate of 5 to 10% in poultry feed. It can also be used to replace part of maize or other energy sources in the diet, but it should be balanced with other ingredients, as I earlier said, to meet the protein and energy need of the poultry. Incorporating African breadfruit seed husk into poultry feed is a smart and sustainable way to cut feed costs as a poultry farmer, while providing essential nutrients for your flock, rich in fiber, moderate in protein, and packed with energy boosting carbohydrates and others. This seed husk is an excellent alternative feed ingredient because it is free. With an inclusion rate of 5 to 10%, you are gaining a lot. You can at the same time maintain the nutritional balance of your poultry feed while reducing reliance on more expensive feed components by using locally available resources like Ukwa or breadfruit seed husk. Poultry farmers can achieve a better feed efficiency and healthier flock at a lower cost. You can see what you are losing by allowing this particular seed husk to waste away, while you are using the little resources you have to fight for highly competitive, high and expensive raw materials like soya bean, fish meal, blood meal, corn, and pancake cake and others. Whereas you have the ones you can produce and you still throw them away into the bush. Please, I'll stop this content here. If you have any question regarding this, please feel free and ask on the comment section. And if this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, you have already know what we are doing here. Try and subscribe right now and ring that bell. Activate that notification bell so that anytime I release an interesting topic like this, you'll be among the set of subscribers that will get notified. In fact, this wonderful app will give you a alert that this is a topic that I release from this channel, and it will also enable you to watch all the content. I thank you all my subscribers all over the globe. Anywhere you are watching this video, I thank you. May you remain blessed till I come with another interesting topic loaded very soon. And at the same time, if you want me to develop a feed formula with this, drop it on the comment section, and if you read that comment, like it so that the number of people that show interest on it will determine or alert me to go into giving you a very good feed formula using breadfruit husk, so that you know how you are going to include it in your poultry feed, and other raw materials and ingredients you are going to add to make it a very good rich formula for your poultry and livestock animals. I can develop feed for broiler starter, broiler growers, broiler finisher, and noilers and other birds with this same breadfruit. We have been doing it here. We have them in abundance. Those around us that sells this breadfruit seed in the market, they are our neighbors who gather them, and we don't pay for it, and we make use of it in producing even the fish feed also. Thank you till then. Bye for now. I love you all. Bye.